Are you ready to learn how to make a paper flapping bird? 'Cause you in luck.
Alright, start by folding it corner to corner. Now unfold it and mirror it to the other side, like so. Okay, that does not look even at all. Who cares? Now fold it, how I did. Unfold it, and then fold it the other way again, like so. Open it up and flip it over. Fold it corner to corner again. Do it like that, like that. Let me do that again. Shit, I forgot how to do this. Shit, how do I fold it? Like that? No. No, no, like that? No. No, no. Shit. Forgot. Maybe it's like this. No. I don't know, man. Get that shit out of here. Give me a new piece of paper. So grab a new piece of paper. Fold it like this, and like this, and like this. And finally, like this. And guess what? Like this. And boom, wow, you have a bird. Wow, look at that. Dude, it even flaps. Apache Productions.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...